Hi everyone, it's Puka Snow Crochet. Welcome to my crochet corner, where we create adorable and fun crochet projects every week. In this video, I'm going to show you how to crochet a crescent moon fan-shaped hair clip. Make a magic ring. Chain 1. Work 9 single crochet stitches into the magic ring. Join with a slip stitch. Round 2, chain 2 to begin. Chain 2 more. In the next stitch, work 1/2 double crochet. Chain 1. Then, work 1/2 double crochet. Chain 1. Repeat the sequence of 1/2 double crochet. Chain 1 4 more times. Chain 1 more. Chain 2 again. In the next stitch, work 4 double crochet stitches together in the same stitch. Chain 2 again. Slip stitch into the next stitch. Then, pull the loop long and slip stitch into the top of the first half double crochet. Round 3. We're going to start with a chain of 12. Now, going back along the chain, skip the first 2 chains and in the third chain from your hook, work 1 double crochet. Then, work 1 double crochet in each of the next 2 chains. Then, work 1/2 double crochet in each of the next 2 stitches. Next, work 2 single crochet stitches. Now, we're going to pull this loop long so we can connect it to the space below. Work 1/2 double crochet. Chain 1, then turn your work. Now, you're going to continue working single crochet. We'll start right here. Now, you're going to work into the front loops only. That's the loop closest to you. I'll refer to this as the fellow stitch. So, you should have a total of 7 single crochet stitches. So, we've completed one section of the fan. Now, chain 3. Now, turn your work, and in the very first chain we just made, work 1 double crochet, but instead you're going to work into the back loops only. I refer to this as the below stitch. Now, work 2 more double crochet stitches. Two single crochet stitches. Next, work 2 half double crochet stitches. Now again, pull the loop long and work 1 half double crochet into the space below. Now, chain 1, turn your work, and then work single crochet stitches. Remember to work into the front loops only. Continue to single crochet to the end of the row. This will complete the second section of the fan. Repeat this pattern until you have a total of 7 fan sections. Thank you so much for watching today's crochet project. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and ring the bell for more cute crochet tutorials every week. See you in the next video. Happy crocheting! Now, we're going to use a yarn stiffener. I'll put the name of the one I'm using on the screen for you. Now, I'm going to add some beads to the fan to make it look prettier. Thank you so much for watching today's crochet project. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and ring the bell for more cute crochet tutorials every week. See you in the next video. Happy crocheting!